parents rushed to their migration. They arrived exhausted. But for this family, the greatest challenge is still to come. The parents chose to nest on this 400-foot pinnacle, and these chicks won't be able to fly for another month. The parents are living proof there is a solution. Dad leads the way. The chicks are instinctively bonded to Mum. Where she goes, they follow. Incredibly, it survived, and now dangerously exposed. One chick gone. Now hope rests with the other two. For this chick, there will be no escape. The third and last surviving chick. The snow cushions the impact, but offers no grip. Only around 50% of chicks hatched on these cliffs make it through the first month. With the seasons increasingly unpredictable, fewer chicks will survive. But this chick, at least, has defied the odds.